drainage drain, making sure it has a slope going away towards the fence. Also, we keep in mind that this distance should be the same as this one, and this distance should be the same as that distance, just to for the better visual. And basically, that's it. Continuation of a French drain. So we excavated the trench. Sloping down this way, making sure it has a 4 feet in the end below the freezing point. Then we install the protective cloth so roots doesn't go in. Put gravel at the bottom. On top of that we put the weeping tile. Over here we install the trench drain on the solid concrete just to make sure that it's gonna be stable. We slope it down going towards the fence as well. So this is how it looks like once it's all connected underneath the ground. This section that is covered with a black cloth is basically a weeping tile, gravel, and it's just covered with a black cloth so it doesn't let the roots go inside the pipe. Over here in the end of this trench we dig out 4 feet pit, so the water is going to be collecting there while it's going to get absorbed with the ground. And over here it just needs to get concreted over and it's all done. So the job is done. Everything is installed. Grass is planted back. Everything cleaned up. Ready for the heavy rain.